But remember, BJP's Uttar Pradesh unit plans to seek Lok Sabha tickets for the 4 BJP MLAs who were booked on charges of fueling Muzaffarnagar riots. These include Hukum Singh from Kairana Lok Sabha seat, Bhartindu Singh from Bijnor, Sangeet Som from Muzaffarnagar and Suresh Rana from Saharanpur. The proposal will now be taken up by the BJP's Central Election Committee that is meeting this morning. Well, for more on this, I'm now joined by my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu. She's outside the BJP office. Kamaljeet, 150 crucial seats for Bihar and UP will be decided by the BJP today. But one of the most interesting things to watch out for will be Narendra Modi, whether the suspense over his candidature from Uttar Pradesh ends today.
Well, sources clearly indicate that one seat for surely will be decided today. That would be Narendra Modi's seat in Uttar Pradesh. It is likely to be from Varanasi. They would have to calm some nerves down, especially of Mr. Murli Manohar Joshi, who's expected to now contest from Kanpur. But sources clearly indicate that there seems to be a problem, not just Varanasi, but also from Lucknow, where Rajnath Singh is keen to contest. Lalji Tandon has already made it very clear that if he gives way, it will only be for Narendra Modi and for nobody else, even if it means Rajnath Singh, who's the president of the BJP. But then thereafter, we also know Mr. Murli Manohar Joshi could be shifted to Kanpur. That has been a traditional seat from where Sri Prakash Jaiswal has consistently won. So this is a Congress stronghold, and to budge. There's also talk about a specific rift within the party, specifically over Varanasi seat. But many in UP now believe that if Narendra Modi does contest from Varanasi, it is only going to up the number of seats that the BJP is likely to win from Uttar Pradesh and from the neighboring Bihar. So this is something that they're going to finalize on, and obviously people who are not willing to listen to the party will really have to comply. There's no way out. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister candidate. They have to have a united face.
Right.
Murli Manohar Joshi had earlier also said that there is no rift as such, but definitely he did seem angry and upset. We'll really have to see whether they've been able to calm the nerves this time around.